Why are your wings never as crispy as takeout? Because you're probably skipping one crucial step. Take your chicken wing flats and poke them all over with bamboo skewers or a fork. This small step makes a big difference. It helps the marinade penetrate quickly and cooks more evenly. Combine the chicken wings, soy sauce, rice wine, white pepper, and grated garlic. Mix well. Let the wings marinate for at least 5 minutes. Longer is even better if you have more time. Here's a question I have for you. When it comes to fried chicken, which part is your favorite cut? Wings, drumsticks, thighs, or something else? Crack an egg in the marinated chicken wings and add cornstarch. Mix until every wing is evenly coated. They create a light and crispy coating instead of a heavy batter. Let's fry the chicken to absolute perfection. Here's how to do it. In a pot over high heat, add oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Heat it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower the wings one at a time. Fry for about 5 minutes until cooked through. Fried chicken has always been my comfort food. Growing up, the smell of hot oil bubbling in the kitchen meant something crispy and golden was on the way, and I was always waiting for that first crunch. Remove the wings and let them rest briefly. Most people fry the wings once and call it done, but that's not how you get that restaurant quality crunch. Increase the oil temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the wings. Deep fry for another 2 minutes until deeply golden and extra crispy. The secret? Double frying. The first fry cooks the chicken. The second fry removes surface moisture and locks in the deep, crispy crust. Remove and drain. Let's make the honey butter sauce. Over low heat. Butter. It gives richness. Grated garlic. Soy sauce. Honey adds floral sweetness and shine. Brown sugar. It deepens the caramel flavor. Mix well and let it simmer gently. Stir in cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Turn off the heat. Add the crispy wings to the glaze and toss until every piece is coated. And that's it! Honey butter fried chicken wings in 25 minutes. Sweet, savory, buttery, and perfectly crunchy. Serve them alongside my cucumber salad for the ultimate crunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like for more quick Asian dishes ready in 30 minutes or less. Grab a copy of my cookbook through the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.